One of the best traditions we had in Israel was the mangal. On Saturday afternoon or Friday afternoon, if you were observant, everybody got together for a barbecue. The atmosphere was lively, convivial, easygoing, and the food had to fit that brief. And this whole grilled mackerel embodies that philosophy perfectly. You make a simple stuffing: olive oil, garlic, cloves, pepper, salt, rosemary, thyme, whatever other woodsy hard herbs you want, and you stuff it all inside the fish. You have to salt the fish first, ideally with kosher or gross salt, and then you put the filling inside. Don't skimp on the oil, don't skimp on the lemons. This is what gives the thing its flavor. You make a few slits in the fish to allow more flavor to permeate, and then you drizzle more of that stuffing on top of the fish. Don't forget, of course, more salt. Then you wrap the whole thing up in tin foil and put it directly on the grill. I like a good charcoal grill, but you can use any other grill you like. And then you just let it grill until the fish is really falling apart. When it's ready, you'll smell it all over. Make this Israeli-inspired whole grilled mackerel recipe now and thank me later.